Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. This is Zig the programming guy. In today's video I'm going to tell you why you can see who viewed your TikTok profile. So guys, this is actually very simple. Now right now I'm actually on my TikTok profile. So if you look at the top of my screen, you find this eye icon right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. And if you notice here, I have a lot of people who have actually viewed my TikTok profile. So these people actually checked my TikTok profile, and that's the reason why they are all appearing right here. So in your case, if you can't find anybody right here, I'm going to tell you the reasons. Now, number one reason could be that maybe you don't have this eye icon right there, or maybe you have it and you still can't see who viewed your TikTok profile. Now, another reason could be that the people who viewed your TikTok profile do not have that feature, or it could be that the people who viewed your TikTok profile turned the feature off, or it could also be that the people who viewed your TikTok profile are not signed in or logged into their TikTok app. Maybe those are the reasons why you can't see who viewed your TikTok profile. Now, this is a quick recap of the reasons. Maybe they don't have this feature at the top, or maybe you don't have the feature at the top, or it could be that they turned off the feature before visiting your TikTok profile, because once someone turns off the feature before visiting your TikTok profile, they're not going to appear right there when you click on the eye icon. So another one could be that they are not logged into any account on their TikTok app before visiting your TikTok profile. So those are the reasons that could make you not to see who viewed your TikTok profile. So guys, that is it about this video. I hope this tip I just shared was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.